Hi guys, and welcome back for another video from Nottingham Music Excellence. My name's Chris Allison and I'm going to play show-stopping sax from the Grade 4 Saxophone ABRSM list. Hope you enjoy this. I think this is a great study to play. Here we go. Okay, so lots of details to get in there. I think the main thing with this is the rock steady tempo and those big dynamic contrasts. So you really want to bring out that forte in the first line. Got to come in with a really big bold sound and then make sure you contrast that further down the study. So try and execute all the phrasing detail really accurately. There's a kind of bit of slur to tongue to, there's a bit of slurring and the accents. So you've got this slur to tongue to at the end of the third line. So I think that's a good ingredient to put in there. And then of course you've got these accents. So really use the tongue at the start of the notes there to ta ta ta, really pick that out. And of course, you know, for extra marks, really try and demonstrate a good feel for the idiom, make it sound really quirky and really jolly. So I think I've played that at a fairly realistic tempo for grade 4, not too fast, but I'm going to play it again now with a metronome at a slower tempo. Grab your sax, try and play along with me, see if you can get this really accurate with me. Here we go. Okay, so I'll give you 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're in with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.